I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your balance from an old eSIM can be a bit tricky, but it's definitely manageable. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Gather information. Make sure you have your old eSIM card number and the phone number associated with your new eSIM handy. You will need these for the transfer process. Step 3. Access the transfer menu. On your phone, navigate to the menu for balance transfer. This is usually found in the settings or account management section of your mobile app. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Select the option to transfer balance, enter the required details like the amount and the old eSIM number, and confirm the transfer. Be careful to enter the correct amount, as transactions cannot be reversed easily. Step 5. Confirm completion. After initiating the transfer, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your new eSIM balance to ensure the transfer was successful. If you don't see the balance, wait a few minutes and check again. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble transferring your balance. Good luck and enjoy your new eSIM.